You baguette.
Make her make cute sounds. It's so cute.
Okay.
My little baked potato. So cute. And then my brother,
Oh, wow.
who is very handsome.
No. I'm ugly. Yeah, I'm still watching you, Lucy.
Face. Everyone needs to see that face. The cute little face. No, Lucy, come here.
Hiya. What, are you making a Musical.ly?
No, it's not Musical.ly.
YouTube video?
I'm just recording it. Because it's so cute. She's a fat tub of lord. Come here. You don't need to eat. Are you letting pass? Come here.
She hasn't eaten since 5 seconds ago.
I know. She's fat. That's why.
No, she's hungry.
And she's eating.
There's a difference.
And she stopped. I don't know why she stopped. She just randomly stops and stares. Boy, we've attained a wild Lucy. Look at how she eats. It's so rare to see a wild Lucy out in the wild. I know the name is wild, but they're not that wild. Okay, so that's my cute cat.